Hello guys, and in this episode, we're going to be going over levels in the racing dodging game. So, the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to make a finish line sprite. So I'm just gonna real quickly make that. I'll say that's what it is. And I'm just gonna color in the background so that it doesn't look the same. I will make things look a bit nicer before I record the next video. So what we're going to want to do is make a new variable. We're going to call this one distance. Right, and we're going to make another one. I'm going to do level distance. And we're going to make one final one. We don't need this yet, but it's just going to be the level variable. I'm going to tell the player what level they are on. So we don't need the level distance shown or the level, but we are going to need the distance shown for the player. So we're just going to put them here and there. So we're also going to want to make another script here with flight clicked motion, and we're going to set the Y position to 0, just that it's centered. And that's about it for what I think we should improve right now. So we're going to go down, let's just put it in the player. We're going to get a one flight clicked. We're going to do forever. Actually, we're not going to do this here. We're going to do it in, we're going to do it in the finish line sprite. I'm just going to rename it real quick. So we're in the finish line script, finish line sprite. We're going to one flight clicked. We're going to control and add forever. And then we're going to go to variables. We're going to drag out a set. We're going to change this to distance. I set it to 0. And we're going to get a level distance. We're going to set it to, let's say, 450. So we're going to change. We're going to set this to distance. We're going to get, let's do every half second. It's going to change the distance by 1. And then if the distance is, so we're going to variables, if distance is equal to level distance, we're going to show. We're going to drag a hide when the flag clicked. So we have this, and I think we're also going to make the distance speed up. So we're going to make a new variable, call it speed. And we're gonna set speed to 0 when the flag is clicked. And we're gonna add a change speed by 1. We're just gonna get it out for later. And we're gonna put the speed in the weight. And we're gonna get a equals. And we're gonna go to control and we're gonna add a if. So we're gonna put that one into the if. We're gonna put the change about that. So we're gonna do variables. We're gonna drag the speed into the equals on the left side. Then we're gonna set it equal to, let's say, max speed of 25. So we're gonna grab a minus variable. And we're gonna put it like this. So we're gonna set speed to -1, then a speed is equal to 1, then I'm going to stop the script. So we're going to put this into another forever loop, and we're going to put it into a one flag clicked. So if we could make the speed variable shown, something isn't right. Oh, it's because we got to set speed to 26. And we're going to drag in a wait half a second. So the distance should go up faster as the speed goes up. For some reason it's not doing that. Let's troubleshoot. That's why. Alright. So we're going to want, instead of a minus, we're going to set that to a plus. So we're going to do plus 26 instead. And we're going to set this to go over here to the obstacles. We're going to change the X to instead negative, or if I can find that. Yep. No, I actually don't want that. I want join. So we're going to put speed on the right and a dash for negative on the left side. So it should be negative speed. And I'm actually going to change something completely altogether with the speed. I'm going to change it instead of -1 to 1. And it's going to be set to 0 at the start, actually. And it is going to be minus. I was doing it wrong. I just wasn't thinking of it properly in my head. So hopefully it should work better now. I'm sorry for all that. That's weird. That's weird. Maybe I do. I don't know. Let's just get rid of the weights. No, but then that wouldn't work. I'm not sure. Right, I'm just gonna think about how I'm gonna do this. Alright, so I think I just figured it out. We're just gonna put a wait 1 second or however long you want. And for the speed thing over here, we're gonna set it to forever, change speed by 1, wait 1 second. If speed is equal to 26, then change it by -1. So I did test this out, and it should work a lot better. As you can see. For some reason it stopped, because I don't know why. Huh. Alright. Some more troubleshooting. Okay. So, with here, we're gonna drag in another if. We're gonna duplicate the touching player and put that into the if, and if it is touching player, then it will change it by -1 instead of touching the barrier or the player. So that should work a lot better. I just didn't notice it. So next thing we're gonna add is lowering the speed if you get hit by an obstacle. So that's pretty simple. All you gotta do is go to variables, and we're gonna change the speed variable by let's say -3. Yep. So that should work much better. So that's that. And I think how much time do we have? It's been 13 minutes. I guess I'm just gonna end it here, and in the next episode we'll work on maybe a shop and what happens if they cross the finish line. So, see you in the next episode, and goodbye.